पणजेचे मिलिटरी हॉस्पिटल बांबोळे वेल्या उपरांत ती जमीन पणजे महापालिकेत दिवची म्हणून महापालिकेन थाराव घेतला। हाच्या आदी मार्केटांतले 2 STC हेडक्वार्टर्साकडची सुवात पार्किंगाक दिवपाचो थाराव महापालिकेन घेतिल्लो। महापालिकेची मंगळारा बसका जाली। पणजे आनीक 25 टॉयलेटी बांदपाचेर महापालिकेचो विचार चल्ला।
The corporation was throughout seeking transfer of land held by the defense in Panji to the city for the use of pay parking. In addition to the earlier proposals passed and seeking land at 2 STC headquarters, the current military hospital is there. If and when the military hospital is shifted to Bambolim, the corporation has resolved that this building and the land should be transferred to the city back again. We have come out with a low emission strategy for the entire city, whereby we propose to bring down our carbon emissions by about 20% in the next up to 2020. So there are measures which we are working, changing our street lights to LEDs, going for smart mobility and smart transportation, public bike sharing systems. City today manages around 37 toilets, but but the requirement of the city is around 62 toilets, which have been planned, locations have been identified. So we are working towards this plan. But today there was discussion on how to improve facilities in the existing toilets.
मडगावची पारंपारिक दिंडी राती मोठी उमेद आणि भक्तिभावान जाली। विठ्ठल रखुमाईची पालखी शारांतल्यान काडटात आणि मडगावच्या हरी मंदिरांत दिंडीचो समारोप जाता। दिंडी पळोवंक आणि विठ्ठलाच्या दर्शनाक भाविकांची गर्दी पडटा। दिंडी निमतान सर्ती आणि सांस्कृतिक कार्यावळी जातात। पळयात मडगावची दिंडी। इतल्यान खबरां चित्रांगात सोंपता। पळयत रावत प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।